Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, struggling to get your PS5 to show up on your Roku TV. It can be super frustrating, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted. First things first, double check that both your PlayStation 5 and your Roku TV are fully powered up. Sometimes, a simple restart of both devices can work wonders. And remember to try plugging your HDMI cable into a different port on your TV, just to rule out any faulty connections. Next, let's dive into your Roku TV's input settings. Make sure you're on the correct HDMI input that your PlayStation 5 is plugged into. This might seem obvious, but it's a common oversight. Some Roku TVs also have advanced input settings, so look for options like Enhanced HDMI or HDMI Ultra HD for the selected port. Enabling these can often resolve compatibility issues with newer devices. Now let's turn our attention to your PS5 video output. If you're getting no signal at all, you might need to boot your PlayStation 5 into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep, then connect your controller via USB. From there, select Change Video Output and try setting it to a lower resolution, like 720 or 1080 pixels. This often allows the TV to recognize the signal, so you can then adjust it back in the regular menu. Sometimes, an outdated software version can cause these kinds of headaches. So, head into your Roku TV settings and check for any available system updates, and do the same for your PlayStation 5. Keeping both devices updated ensures the best compatibility. If all else fails, a soft reset of your Roku TV can sometimes clear out glitches, or as a last resort, a factory reset might be necessary. Just be aware this will erase all your settings and apps. Before you give up, make one final check with a different HDMI cable, preferably a brand new, certified HDMI 2.1 cable. Sometimes, an old or faulty cable is the silent culprit. Also, try connecting your PlayStation 5 to a completely different TV or monitor, just to confirm the console itself is outputting a signal. If you've tried all these steps and still have no luck, it might be time to reach out to Roku or PlayStation support, as they can offer more specific troubleshooting advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.